Hey, if you are the person who haven't earned a single dime online, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make some quick PayPal money by just doing simple jobs online, and then even a little kid can do it. Now let's hop into my laptop screen where I'll show you step by step what you have to do to make that amount of money. So let's hop in.
Welcome to a brand new video, guys. In this video we are gonna see how you can make some quick PayPal money with a limited amount of work. That's right, this video is all about a website which I'm going to share with you guys. From that website you can earn a handful of PayPal money pretty easy way. Now before we start, if you're new to my channel Mr. Influencer is all about how you can make a living from your home, quit your job and living a life of freedom. So if you are that person, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we drop a brand new video like this one. So without wasting time, let's hop into today's website. It's called rapidworkers.com. So what is Rapid Workers? Let me scroll down a little bit and you can see here it's actually small online jobs like YouTube, vote for this video, follow me on Twitter, okay, insurance form sign up. These are all pretty much micro jobs, and the time limit, as you can see here, for this job, YouTube, vote for this video, is 10 cents and it's 1 minute. So rather than wasting your time on Netflix or watching movies or anything, why that use that time and make some money for you on the side. Now this is not the main concern, you are not getting tens and thousands from this, but you can make a good amount of on the side in your free time. So this payment out is basically PayPal. As you know, it's verified. PayPal is almost in every country, it's supported there. Now here is the thing, you just need to go and sign up. It's very simple process, and then inside your dashboard will look somewhat like this. Now YouTube channel subscribe fast day payment is 0.2 cents. It's 1 minute. It takes just that to subscribe a channel, and then as you can see here, this one 152 bar 395. That means there are 395 persons who can subscribe to my channel, but 152 is already over. So what is then in the remaining is left for you, like this one. The total person can join this particular sign up for this new or sign up Bitcoin is 56 member can do it, but as of now only to have done. So this all goes in the same way, like this one 20 is there. 5 have already done, so 15 member can do it. Click and get money fast dollar. Okay, what I like to do is to get the quick money. What I do is you can hover over this tab and then see the what are the payments. You can sort down by payments. What I like to do is go all the way down to see the highest payment for the job. Now the highest is $2 now. As you can see here, very simple, sign up for US and get paid many dollar over and over. So just 3 minutes. As you can see here, there are only 7 person who can do this job and already 4 have done. So that's $2. It takes 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, this $2 is very much easy for me. Rather than wasting hours on movies on Netflix, I can use my time to make money from this website. Now the almost all the jobs are international. As you can see here, YouTube copy and paste command, post a YouTube command, very simple jobs which you can do and make a side income. Now, not like I said, not a full-time income. You are not going to get thousands of money from this, but yes, a small amount of money which you can use for extra purposes. Now, this is the thing. Now here is the important thing, 99% of you will just watch this video and leave the simple method by which you can get a quick amount of money in your hand. Rather, I want you to be the person who takes action, goes to rapidworkers.com, creates an account and starts earning some quick money, which is easily possible. Now if you have not yet subscribed, I invite you again to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you can notify whenever I drop these high paying income ideas with websites in which you can work at the least amount of your effort, but you take it the maximum amount of money you want. So that being said, see you in the next one.